Most parents don't need another productivity app. They need a second brain. Because before the day even starts, you're already managing school schedules, meals, homework, appointments, sports, and about 20 other things nobody else even sees. So I wanted to test something. Can Claude AI actually help reduce the mental load of running a family? Here's what I found. Let's start with the weekly schedule because this is where a lot of families start feeling overwhelmed. Open Claude and ask, "Help me build a weekly schedule for my family." Then add everything taking up space in your head: school events, sports practices, appointments, work schedules, and anything else your family has going on. Claude turns that pile of information into a clean weekly plan. But here's where it gets useful. Ask Claude to find conflicts, show where you're overbooked, and suggest where you should add extra time. Now you're not just making a calendar, you're planning ahead. Next is the question every family eventually asks: what's for dinner? Tell Claude, plan 5 family dinners this week. Keep them under 30 minutes. One child doesn't like seafood, and one child is picky with vegetables. Claude won't just throw random recipes at you. It creates dinner ideas, a shopping list, and prep notes, so you're not standing in the kitchen at 6 o'clock trying to figure everything out. Now, here's one a lot of parents don't think about. Homework help. Your child brings home an assignment. You look at it, and suddenly you're trying to remember something you learned 20 years ago. Instead of searching through random websites, ask Claude, "Explain this topic like I'm helping an 8-year-old understand it." Claude can break complicated ideas into simple steps. It doesn't replace your child's learning. It helps you guide them through it. And bedtime routines? Same idea. Ask Claude to create a 30-minute bedtime routine your child can eventually follow independently. Claude can organize the steps, make it age-appropriate, and even create a kid-friendly checklist you can print and put on their door. Here's what surprised me most. Claude isn't really saving you from parenting. It's helping remove the invisible planning work around parenting. The schedules, the decisions, the organizing, all the little things constantly running in the background. So you can spend more energy actually being there. That's where AI becomes useful. Not replacing people, helping people. This entire channel is my AI experiment. Claude helps create it. I document what happens. Subscribe for more practical Claude AI tips. See you tomorrow.